What's going on, dudes and Foxy Dudettes? It's been a while since we talked about Shinesty. Well, I just got my latest package in from Shinesty, and I figured now would be a great time to tell you about the styles and patterns that I picked out here and tell you why they're the official underwear company of the Well-Rounded Dude, plus a lot more, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. Thank you for being here. If men's underwear is a topic of interest for you, and it totally should be, I believe it's a totally slept on topic. A lot of guys neglect their underwear. This is the place for you, but we talk about a lot more than just men's underwear, right? We talk about suits, leather jackets, different kind of shirts, just fashion style in general. If you're interested in that, then I implore you, please drop a like, click subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. We're a small channel trying to grow, and I would greatly appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's hop into this Shinesty package. We've talked a bunch about Shinesty before, right? They're an underwear company, or at least they were just an underwear company, but they've really expanded into all kinds of clothing. They offer t-shirts now. They offer suiting, socks, pajamas, for men and for women. They even have like these pajama overalls for women, and they just have like a whole bunch of cool stuff. You got to be sure to check that link out in the description. We're just going to stick to the underwear today. Today we're going to be talking about trunks. Now that's my preferred style, maybe TMI, but this is my channel. We're going to look at some of the pairs that I got today. So this first pair, I think these are so cool, right? Now trunks, how they differ from boxers are the inseam is 3 inches, so they're a little bit shorter. Okay, they're not briefs. All right, I want to really clear that up. They're not briefs, but they're a little bit shorter. So what's cool about them is if you're wearing like a running short, these aren't going to stick out from underneath. They're still not going to ride up, and the elastic band is not going to like bacon. If you know, like sometimes the elastic will crinkle up, but Shinesty is high end. That's one of the things that's super important for you guys to know, is that Shinesty is high end. It's super soft, very, very soft, very supple. The material is a modal blend, right? It is 95% micro modal and 5% spandex, and it's moisture wicking and breathable. Now I want to make sure you guys get to see the print on this one, because I think this is awesome. This is called the ginger ale. Which now it's just clicking in my head like ginger ale, ginger rail. Yeah, okay, I'm a little slow, but I think it's like super cool. You take a look, it's probably better if I show you from behind. You can see that the gingerbread men and women are doing naughty things to each other. This is a limited time print. I would assume it's going to be gone pretty soon because it is a Christmas time print. But it is very cool. I want to show you guys like the inside so you understand what else makes Shinesty super special. Now bear with me for this analogy. These are your balls. These are your balls in the Ball Hammock Pouch. Now you may be asking yourself, Chris, why are you telling me this? And I'm telling you because I'm your friend, first of all. And plus, it's also good to know that you'll stay in the same space when you're wearing these. We've all been there where we've worn other underwear brands and things shift throughout the day, and ping and pong swap spots. It's not in the same place. With this, you don't have to worry. Your boys will stay in the same spot. Not to mention they are bulge enhancing. Seriously, you'll get compliments. And even if not of the verbal variety, you will have to remind some people, be like, hey, my eyes are up here. So with that super soft micro modal, which is kind of like a silk linen feeling kind of material, it moisture wicks and is very breathable. I mentioned that before. It's going to keep your boys like this. As opposed to this, because all that sweat and moisture that causes this will keep you clean and dry, so you won't have swamp nuts. So I'll show you some of the other pairs that I got. I got the Cardinal, which they're calling a buffalo check pattern. This is just a standard print. It doesn't have anything close to like gingerbread people fornicating with each other. So if you're not into like the last print that we showed you, but you want something more traditional, then this is, you know, the print for you. Still comes with all of the benefits, you know, the micro compression, the modal, the ball pouch. You can see the ball pouch here. One thing I neglected to mention before is that these have a fly. So if you like a fly in your underwear, then the trunks will work just for you. I figured I'd take this out of the package on camera for you. This is the 009. This is probably one of my favorite pairs that I've ever gotten. It's just a tuxedo print. This tuxedo goes like right over your boy, right? Again, just another fun print. I think this is cool. Like, it's not as suggestive as the ginger ale one, but with a little bit of a tuxedo, it's still fun, right? A little bit more fun than just a normal cardinal print, but you know, you got a little tuxedo for your boys, right? Again, this is the same mild compression, same modal cotton, same everything, just in a different print that's a little bit fun, right? And you know, this is probably a good time to mention, like, down in the description there is a link where you can save 25% off your total order from Shinesty, and that's a really good deal. You guys won't want to miss out on it. They've got a lot of cool stuff, like you can see. Like, I mean, come on, tuxedo underwear, like, you can't go wrong with that. Now, I also did pick out just a normal plain solid color print. This is called the Sommelier. It's their burgundy underwear. I always think it's in good taste to have solid colors in your underwear collection. You know, it's cool to have prints and it's fun to have some stuff like the ginger ale, but you know, sometimes you need, you know, it calls for a situation where you need a solid pair of underwear, just a solid classic pair, and you can get all what you need at Shinesty, right? You can get the solid colors, you can get the fun prints, you can get the fun patterns or the normal patterns. It's all there. They have a great variety. You guys got to check it out. Be sure to click on that link and subscribe, okay? Men's underwear, guys, sometimes it's overlooked, right? You can't overlook it. What goes on under your clothes is just as important as your clothes themselves, okay? So really take a look at your underwear collection. Guys sometimes will wear, there'll be more than 3 or 4 holes in the pair. Let me just say that. You understand where I'm going with that. Shinesty is where it's at. It's so soft, so comfortable. I implore you, start a subscription. They do offer subscriptions, and get a new pair like every month. You can't go wrong. All right, guys, I just want to say a huge thank you to Shinesty for sending over some of my new favorite pairs of underwear, and I just want to let you guys know, or remind you, be sure to check out that link. It'll save you 25% on your first order, and you can't go wrong. Super high quality underwear. It'll last you a long time, and the comfort is crazy. You guys, once you try a pair, you'll never go back. So with that being said, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything we do here. We've got links to the Amazon storefront. We have got links from brands like Shinesty that really believe in you and really want to help you out and have great qualities and great offers for you guys. So take them up on it, especially Shinesty, right? I just showed you like the quality of the underwear. So with that being said, we will see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.